when we work with the Lord in the light of His word. What a glory He shares on our way. When we do His good will, He abides with us still, and with all who will trust and obey. Oh, trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Not a shadow can rise, not a cloud in the sky, but His smile quickly drives it away. Not a doubt, not a fear, not a sign, not a tears can abide when we trust and obey. Oh, trust and obey, for there's no other way to be